Good morning. Have you ever practiced yoga and then shared your yoga practice with your friends that are going to another yoga practice in another town, another state, another country? And then there was this discrepancy there, or an argument or a discussion around, well, I do it this way and I'm taught this way. And there's all of a sudden this like tug of war going on because we've become attached to what we think is right. And this is where yoga, my true yoga tip for today is this. When practicing yoga, let it flow through you. If it is a fluid practice and you're getting the whole breath, mindfulness, the movement, please detach from anything. Like detach from what you think is right or wrong. Instead, just let it be fluid. There are going to be all kinds of discrepancies and oppositions and contradictions and contraindications. Yoga practice is meant to be a very personal practice of rediscovering, going inside, feeling what you're feeling, releasing what you're releasing. It's not meant to be compared like everything else we do. Well, mine's bigger than yours. Mine's much expansive, more than yours. It's not that. The yoga practice is meant to be very, very introspective, insightful, inside, personal. So remember, there is no competition when it comes to the practices of loving yourself unconditionally. And there is no jealousy, there's no righteousness, there's no entitlement. There's no pity party. There's none of that. So there's no need for our egotistical values to get attached as we share with others the influence that yoga has placed inside of our hearts and our guts and our mind that truly invite any tool of yoga into your practice and discern. Be open. Unconditional love is the only answer, and love is the only real thing. Are you loving yourself in your yoga practice today? Have you found that practice that really serves you therapeutically so that you have a clearer mind, a more open heart, and intuitive gut that you really can connect with? I invite you each day on the mat to join me, and maybe my practice works with you. Maybe my practice doesn't work with you, and that's okay. Keep on finding that place where you can go inside and learn to let go, let go, let go, and see the true gift that you are the creator, and that you are the decider, and that you're the leader of your own journey. And there is no need to hold on, and just allow yourself to flow and feel the joy and the light of all the contrasts that we do feel as humans, and that is pain and joy. So let us all celebrate yoga, no matter what yoga you practice. Yoking, loving unconditionally, mindfulness, clarity. This is the practice of the spiritual warrior. So I invite you to share this and send the message out there. The yoga tip for today: how to practice yoga. Find something that really works with you, but not be attached, and let it flow, and look at different modalities. From my light to yours. Namaste. Yoga is the option we all have. See you in the next episodes. Thank you.